Let me ask you something important, something personal, something honest. What would you do if you had no fear?
No fear of mistakes. No fear of people listening to you. No fear of speaking English.
Would you speak more freely? Would you stop hiding your voice? Would you finally say what you think?
Many adults want to speak English, but fear stops them.
Fear of sounding wrong, fear of being judged, fear of making mistakes.
If this sounds like you, please stay with us.
This episode is made for shy learners, for quiet learners, for learners who feel nervous.
Relax. Breathe. You are not alone.
Hello, everyone, and welcome.
Welcome to our channel, English Glow Up.
This is the place where English feels safe, where English feels simple, where English feels possible.
We help adults speak English with confidence. Not fast, not perfect, but real.
Here, mistakes are welcome. Silence is okay. Trying is enough.
If you want to improve your English speaking, this channel is for you.
Before we begin, please support us.
Subscribe to English Glow Up.
Like this video, share it with someone who feels afraid to speak.
Now, let's begin today's conversation.
Today's topic is a question.
A simple question, but a deep one.
What would you do if you had no fear?
Fear is a feeling we all have. It lives inside us.
Fear is not a bad thing. Fear tries to protect us.
But sometimes fear becomes too loud.
Fear says, don't speak. You will make mistakes. People will laugh.
For English learners, fear is very common.
Especially for adults.
You may understand English well. You may read and listen easily.
But when it's time to speak, everything stops.
Your heart beats fast. Your hands feel cold. Your mind feels empty.
This does not mean you are bad at English.
It means you care.
And today, we want to make fear smaller.
Let's start with a simple sentence.
Please listen first.
If I had no fear, I would speak English every day.
Now say it with us.
If I had no fear, I would speak English every day.
Again, slowly.
If I had no fear, I would speak English every day.
Good. Very good.
Now try this one.
If I had no fear, I would speak English at work.
Say it out loud.
Nice work. Let's practice with a role play.
A very common situation.
We are at a coffee shop.
I am the customer,
I work there.
and I have no fear.
Let's begin.
Hello? Can I have a coffee, please?
Of course, small or large.
Large, please.
Anything else?
Yes. What do you recommend?
I recommend the latte.
That sounds good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
See? Simple English.
No perfect grammar. Just communication.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video for a moment.
Answer this question in your head or in the comments.
What would you do if you had no fear?
Finish this sentence.
If I had no fear, I would.
Say it again, out loud.
Good job. You are practicing speaking.
Let's try a mini quiz.
Listen and choose the best answer.
Question 1.
If you had no fear, would you? A. Stay silent. B. Speak more. C. Stop learning.
The best answer is
B. Speak more.
good job.
Question 2.
If you make a mistake, should you A. Stop speaking. B. Feel ashamed. C. Continue speaking.
The best answer is
C. Continue speaking.
exactly.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Think about a baby learning to walk.
The baby falls many times.
But the baby never says, I'm bad at walking.
The baby stands up again.
Learning English is the same.
You will make mistakes.
And that is okay.
Mistakes mean progress.
Silence means nothing changes.
Let's practice one more sentence.
Repeat after us.
I am not afraid to try.
Say it again.
Another one.
I can speak English.
Even if you don't believe it yet, say it.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
Fear is normal.
Everyone feels fear.
Speaking is more important than perfection.
Small steps matter.
Practice every day.
Use simple English.
Now we want to hear from you.
Write one sentence in the comments.
If I had no fear, I would.
Practice today, not tomorrow.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel English Glow Up.
We are learning together.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye and keep glowing in English.